Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Blajil. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about this new software which is Chat GPT. So guys, it's a very useful software which you can use if you are a student, researcher, content creator, if you belong to any industry or profession or in the life. So for example, as a content creator, I can get many answers from this this AI software. For example, I decide to make a video about the best screen recorders for PC. So it will give me answer in few seconds. So let me show you here. As you can see, I give it my query and it answers me within seconds. So as you can see, I asked it about best screen recorders for PC, and it gave me all the answers, and it's still giving me. So far it has given me answers like OBS Studio, which is free, which is I'm using right now for screen recording this, and another one it provided me with the Bandicad, which is a paid software, and this third one Camtasia, which is also a paid. So if you don't like this response, you can click on regenerate response, and it will give you some more or better description or a better answer. So here, as you can see, as you are seeing it right now, if you are a, for example, content creator, you can avail it, and if you are a student, it can help you with your assignments and research, etc. So that's all guys. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this. If you haven't tried this, I will provide the link in the description for this AI or Chat GPT, and you need to just sign up with your phone number or with WhatsApp number. It's that easy. That's all guys. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments if you have used it or not. Thank you.